Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Kevin and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing how I went from this project to this current one. Just going over how I used a router and chisel and use my Cricut to make the finished product. So let's get started.
Now, I gave this a try experimenting wood burning first, but it was a disaster. Then I mixed 50-50 epoxy with acrylic paint, but after 2 attempts, I did not like how it turned out, so I decided to break out the Cricut Maker and make it to look cleaner. First, you can see I'm sanding the surface. For what reason, I do not know, because I am about to use a router to create a small indentation where the vinyl and the epoxy pour would go. As you can see in this next clip, I'm still cleaning up the surface that I am about to use a router on. I have no idea why I continue to clean the surface. Next, I outline the original design and set up, but I forget to record me routing the design. Here is the product of me using a router, then cleaning it up with a chisel and my sander. Next, you see me cleaning the surface and preparing it with alcohol. I only have 70% ISO on hand, but since we can no longer get denatured alcohol in California, 90% ISO would be preferred. Here I am putting down the different layers of the shield, first starting with the outside white lining of the shield, then bringing in the black background. Then the helmet and face, words, and swords. And finally comparing the version 2 with the updated version and the final design. If you like this video and want to see more of my content, like and subscribe.